And now the bread, as you can see, is ready, yummy and chocolatey. Now we need to unmold it first. These sides are not going to stick because baking paper is there, but the other two sides you may need to release it slightly to make sure that they come off clean. And there we are. There we are. It comes off clean from the mold because we have used baking paper. Oh, a loaded chocolate chip bread, gluten-free, is ready. And if you don't believe me about the texture, there it is. Absolutely soft and gorgeous bread is ready. So if someone you know or you yourself can't have gluten breads for any reason, personal preference, medical reasons, allergies, availability of flours or anything, here is your neat option for making a yummy, soft, spongy, gluten-free chocolate chip bread.